Here's a natural and effective guide to whitening your teeth in 7 days without harsh chemicals. These methods are inexpensive, easy to apply at home, and gentle on enamel, if used correctly. 7-day natural teeth whitening program. Useful ingredients: baking soda, lemon or apple cider vinegar, in moderation, activated charcoal, coconut oil, turmeric, optional, soft toothbrush, dental floss, daily routine, morning, after breakfast. 1. Brush your teeth, 2 minutes with your usual toothpaste. 2. Coconut oil mouthwash. Hold 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 5 to 10 minutes, spit it out, then rinse with warm water. Evening, before going to bed. Every other day, not every day.
Erster Baking Soda und Limon.
Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of lemon juice. Apply gently with your toothbrush for 1 minute. Rinse thoroughly.
Gentle Alternative, oder des.
Brush your teeth with a paste made with activated charcoal or turmeric and coconut oil. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing.
Other tips.
Floss every night to remove residue. Rinse your mouth with clean water after each meal. Avoid coffee, black tea, red wine, and tobacco. Expected results. Days 1 to 3, cleaner mouth, fresher breath. Days 4 to 5, start of whitening, slightly brighter teeth. Days 6 to 7, visible lighter shade, smoother and cleaner teeth.
Precautions.
Don't use baking soda and lemon every day, 2 to 3 times a week at most to avoid damaging the enamel. Charcoal can be abrasive, using it 2 to 3 times a week is sufficient. Consult a dentist if you experience sensitivity or pain.